We're here today to talk with Monica Talley, partner in the trademark practice at Sterne Kessler, Goldstein & Fox, because we understand that ICANN, which is the nonprofit body that coordinates the Internet's name and numbering system, is going to allow an unlimited number of new GTLDs, generic top-level domain names, to populate the web. Monica, can you tell us what this means?
Yes, in 2008, ICANN first announced it was going to expand the number of GTLDs that were available. Currently, these are limited to your .coms, .net, .org, your typical suffixes that you see in domain names. ICANN is now going to expand these offerings to virtually any word, or not even a word sounds, that you can register after the dot. So it can be .brand or generic name like car or whatever you can come up with. There have been a lot of delays in implementing this new system, but ICANN expects that they'll be accepting applications towards the end of summer, July or August of 2011, possibly early fall.
So why expand the number of GTLDs? Is this a good idea?
Well, and ICANN believes, or ICANN's words, they think that this will enhance competition, it'll promote choice and innovation, and they also feel that for brand owners it will create sort of a unified internet presence, and that brand owners can then sell or register second-level domains, the word that comes before the dot, to their distributors or manufacturers or even to fan sites, so that their web presence is all in one place. ICANN also believes this is going to help prevent fraudulent practices such as counterfeiting, because it will be harder to sell merchandise if you're not selling it under the .brand domain name.
Well, what about potential difficulties or challenges? I mean, what does this mean for trademark owners?
Well, anytime you sort of expand a system like this, you have an expanded opportunity for cyber squatters, those who sort of profit in using the goodwill of others. The other concern about this process is that not all countries subscribe to the UDRP policy, which is the Uniform Dispute Resolution Policy. So you're going to have an expanded way that cyber squatters can use your brand names, and not one uniform way to sort of go after them.
So what about the processing? How is it going to work? How do you apply?
Well, the application is through ICANN, and it's a fairly steep application fee. It's $185,000 to apply. It's a 50-question application. You have to commit to running the domain name for at least 10 years, and you have to pay, on top of the $185,000, about a $25,000 a year fee to keep using it. There's also very stringent technical and operational requirements for the folks that they're going to release these GTLDs to, because you actually have to run sort of a registry associated with that top-level domain. After the application period closes, ICANN will verify the applications for completeness, and then they're going to release on their website the domain names that have been applied for and applicant information. And then there's sort of an objection-based process that will allow trademark owners to demonstrate that a particular name infringes upon their legal rights. So if parties are interested in learning more about this ICANN process, they can go to the ICANN website, which is just at ICANN.org. And here at Sterne Kessler, we're also monitoring ICANN's progress towards the application process, and we'll be putting updates on our website, which is at skgf.com.